Hello students, so now we are going to begin with the next poem of your syllabus, and the name of the poem is The Donkey. The Donkey poem is about a little baby donkey who is just born, who's just 1 day old, and the poet is describing about how it looks and what it is doing like a baby, how the baby is full of hopes and he's enjoying his moment. In the same way, this baby donkey is enjoying his day. And what tricks is he trying to do? Let's explore more. I saw a donkey 1 day old. His head was too big for his neck to hold. His legs were shaky and long and loose. They rocketed and staggered and weren't much of use because he was weak. He was just 1 day old. So he was trying to use his legs, but he couldn't use it properly because it was just 1 day old. He tried to gambol and frisk a bit. Gambol is to move and play from here and there. He was just trying to play around his parents, and like a baby, he's enjoying his movement. But he wasn't quite sure of the trick of it because he doesn't know how to play properly. He's just gambling, playing, falling down again, getting up. He's doing what he can do. His square means his skin. His square little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a lovely way. So he's very soft and he is grey in color, and curled hair is on his neck. Like any other baby, this baby donkey also looks very cute. He is very lovely and he is beautiful. His face was wistful. Wistful means full of hope. Cute. When we look at a wistful face, we feel happy, positive, and left no doubt that he felt life needed some thinking about. Means when you look at him, you feel like life is so beautiful. We need to do something for it. So he blundered round in a venturesome quest. Venturesome quest means he was just playing from here and there. He doesn't know exactly how to play. So he is set out for an adventure of life. He's just 1 day old, right? So he has just begun with his life, started enjoying his moments. Blundered round means wandered around here and there. Venturous quest means venture means adventure, quest means in search of something, and then lay flat on the ground to rest because he was tired running here and there. So he lay flat on the ground to rest. He looked so little and weak and slim. I prayed the world might be good to him. I prayed the world might be good to him. The baby donkey is looking so little, weak, and slim that the poet is praying God that the world should be good to him and he should live his life in a good way. So, these are the meanings of the poem. Rocketed, moved suddenly, staggered, tottered, moved unsteadily, gambol, leap, move playfully, wistful, full of hope, longing for something, venturesome, daring, adventurous, quest, search, the act of looking for something. So let's recite the whole poem once again. I saw a donkey 1 day old. His head was too big for his neck to hold. His legs were shaky and long and loose. They rocketed and staggered and weren't much of use. He tried to gambol and frisk a bit, but he wasn't quite sure of the trick of it. His square little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a lovely way. His face was wistful and left no doubt that he left life needed some thinking about. So he blundered round in venturous quest and then lay on the ground to rest. He looked so tiny and weak and slim, I prayed the world might be good to him. I prayed the world might be good to him. The donkey. I hope you all have understood the poem. Write down all the new words, understand the meaning of the poem, and write down the meanings in your notebook. Thank you.